and I welcome you all for the today's session 16, Unit 1 of Understanding of Vector-Based Graphics. Let us see the topic which I am going to cover in this session. In this session, the last part of the vector-based graphics are going to discuss today, that is compound path and mask. And then we will discuss about text and time used in a vector-based graphics. To do some page layout and some designs. Later we will discuss about a multiple choice question. Now we will understand one by one. The compound paths and then a mask. We may call it as clipping mask. Even a non-compound paths will be there, even mask path and unmasked path also there. Let us understand the compound path and non-compound path first. Compound path and mask are used two or more paths to create a certain special effects. In a compound path, the point at which two selected paths are more like each other drops out, leaving an empty space revealing whatever is behind the object. The non-compound paths are just opposite to that. See, this diagram will show you this figure will show you the non-compound path and the compound path. Now I will show you how to create a compound path in Illustrator. We have already opened the software and the page. First, draw the circle by holding a Shift key. Then we draw the squares. Then duplicate the circle again and reduce the size by holding Shift and Alt key. Make it these two center, and later you can by select and drag it. Then you make it these two first compound path, and later you can select this also and make it the compound path. Bring it to front and then do it. Go to object, click on compound path, and then again go to object and click compound path. See, this is how it has been created. Next, we will see the clipping mask or the mask. With the mask, the topmost path it is selected with. The topmost path becomes invisible when this happens. The unmasked path, however, are visible. See, in this figure, the two objects are there. First one is square, and this is a circle. When the mask is happen, the remaining areas are hide. Only the join of the two objects, one over the other, that area becomes visible. Now I will show you that in Illustrator. First, draw a square and then draw a circle using ellipse tool. By adding these two, or selecting these two, click on clipping mask. 1 minute. The object has to be whichever is going to happen. See, this is how the clipping mask occurs. Similarly, we can do the clipping mask for image as well as text. I will show you that also. So now I will bring you this image onto the Illustrator software. make it embedded, and then the image size is reduced. So I will draw a circle, and I will bring it on top and then click on mask. See, the image is inside the circle. You can select individually and you can move also. See, it is moving. Or you can reduce the size of this and the shape however you want. You can make it. See, this is how the image is clipping mask. Next, I will do it for a text and the image, or some pattern color has to be clipping mask for this. I will make it this as semi-bold, and then I will draw a rectangle box. I will fill the pattern and then I will send to back. So this text has to be curved, then clipping, go to object, clipping mask, or else you can do it directly. See, this is how it will, the clipping the mask for the text as well as the image. Next, we will discuss about type within an area, type along a path. We will see the type within an area. This is one of the most powerful features in Adobe Illustrator. Of its features for the text editing or text composing. In a text within area, we can type a single line artwork or create columns and rows of text. Flow of text into a shapes or along a path and work with the letter forms as graphic objects. Next, the type tool is used to create the individual type and type container also. After that, containing a type container, we have to enter the text or we have to create the text and then later we can edit the type. So let us see this diagram. This or the figure. It will show the type within an area by using created by using a type tool. Now we will see how to create a type within an area for the text entering in Illustrator software. I have already opened the Illustrator software. So along with the new page, now I am directly showing. This is the type tool. Click on the type tool. If you click once and leave it, there is this type. You can type a line continuously without ending. See, behind the printable area or the working area is also it is moving. If you want to end this line, then you have to press enter. Then later you have to add like this. This is the one type of text entering in a page layout. Another type is you can create using a area type tool or by using a type tool, click and select the area how much you want to type. You can type the text manually, or you can copy and paste from other things, other application softwares. Now I have opened a help file of Adobe Illustrator and I have copied, and similarly you can copy it from a Word or some other notepad or some other vector graphics editor, and then later you can paste it. See, I am continuously pasting to fill this complete area. I am repeating the pasting option. After this, if you want to make a rows and columns, then you have to type, click on area type option, then you will get this type of dialog box. The width of the text area type area is this much, height is this much. Then if you want to change this single row into double row, then click on numbers, click 2, and if you click a preview, you can see the difference. Similarly, you can make for column also. See, you can create like this. The span width of rows can also be changed. So for example, I will give you 200. See what will happen. See, automatically the row span is less. Similarly, you can reduce this also. What will happen? The column row span is also reduced, but the text still is there. You can paste it outside. Similarly, you can reduce the gutter space. Gutter space means the space. Span means the entire area. So if you reduce the gutter space, some more text is inside. We can see it, both horizontal and vertical. See, it has been reduced and some more text is visible. This we will discuss in later classes or in lab. Next, the text flow, like this also you can make it, or like the top to bottom also you can make it. Normally, the readers will always use in a column or a row. If it is a column, then they will go for top to bottom, and then it will continue like this. So this is this step you can use it for to create rows and columns. Now one more I will show you, the text threading. By manually you can create the columns. See, now I have reduced. Still you have text. By clicking on a pointer tool, see, it is indicating that still text is there. If you click and drag, select the area, or else top of the left one, align to that and click. If you click it, another box is coming. Still if the text is there, then again it will show. See, click it. Similarly, click it. If text ends, then you will not see this plus mark. See, now it is, the text is it, so it is, look, instead of plus mark in red, it is look, a square blank space is visible. This is how you can create the text within area. This the next thing, text within an area. First you create our area to be filled with the text in Illustrator. Choose either the text tool or the text inside the part tool by clicking the object and type away. This is how it will look when the text is filled in a path. I will show you that also. First we have to create a shape. Now I will choose a polygon and I will bring it to the center and make this line as black and inside is none. After this, click on area type tool and just I'm clicking inside that. See, I'm typing. The text is filled within the area what we have selected. Instead of keyboard clicking, I'm copying this text and I'm keep on pasting. See, this is how it has been created. Is it clear, students? Okay. Next, type along a path. In Illustrator, create the path. If the path is open, choose the type or the type on path tool. Click the path where you want the text to begin. We can change where the text flows along with the path using a direct selection tool. Now I will show you, before showing that I will, this image, type along a path. As it is the shape, as the path is there, according to that we can type the text. I will show you that also. See, now I am creating a path by using a pen tool. Instead of filling inside, I will select this. I will make it a pen tool and then click none. Select this tool, the line, stroke thick. Okay, then I will click on type on path tool. I'm just clicking. If the size is less, then it will be difficult to type. Okay, now if you click it, it's already clicked. We will expand the area. On my I will show once again. Click on pen tool, drag it. Okay, I will make this as black and this is 0. Now I will click on the path tool. Just keep on typing. See, as the shape it is coming. Similar to one more, you have a, see, you can make it inside mirror or you can outside, even you can change the position or you can move by center, you can move it, whatever you want, you can do it from this. Next, before discussing MCQ, first read the PPT along with the study material. The first question, multiple choice question is, the dash point at which two selected paths overlaps each other drops out, leaving an empty space revealing whatever is behind the object. The options are compound path, mask, non-compound path, and none of the above. The clue for this question, whichever the remaining area is there, that it will be revealed. This is the answer. Mask means whichever the two objects overlap, being area will be shown and remaining areas are hidden. Next one, the point at which two selected paths overlaps each other and when dash happens, the topmost path becomes invisible. The for clue for this question we have discussed in first question. Next, dash is the shortcut for type tool in Illustrator software. The options are T, the options, second option is X, third is T, and none of the above. Next question, the type tool creates the individual and dash. First option is text and matter. Second option is type and type container. Third option is both A and B and none of the above. We can create whatever we want in a type tool, or area also we can create it to fill it. This is the clue for that question. Next, which type is used to type within an area? The options are area type tool, text bar tool, text, and the Bezier control tool. All of you know that according to the shape, if you want to fill the text, first we have to select the area. This is the clue for this question. Next, what is the use of type on part tool? The options are type within the box, type within an area, type can flow along the path, any shapes. See, the clue for this question, we can create the type, or we can type the text on whatever the shapes we have created. Okay, this is the clue for this question answer. Next, we can change where the text flows along the path using the direct selection tool. The options are true, second one is false, third one may be false, last one is none of the above. Obviously, we can do from the direct selection tool. That's the clue for this question. And thank you all once again.